Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Oura Ring app and connect sensors, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install the Oura Ring app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Oura Ring and tap the search button. Locate the Oura Ring app in the search results. Tap on the app to open its detail page. For iPhone users, tap the Get button to begin the download. If you are using an Android device, tap the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, locate the Oura Ring app on your home screen or app drawer. Tap on the app icon to open it. You will see a welcome screen prompting you to create an account or log in. If you are new to Oura, select Sign up to create a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your email address and create a password. After entering your information, confirm your account via the email received. Once your account is confirmed, return to the Oura Ring app and log in. After logging in, you will be prompted to set up your profile. Enter your personal details as requested, including age, weight, and height. This information will help the app provide tailored insights. Next, you will be prompted to connect to your Oura Ring. Ensure your Oura Ring is charged and nearby. Go to the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Return to the Oura Ring app. Tap on Connect to Ring to start the pairing process. The app will search for your Oura Ring. Once detected, confirm the connection on your smartphone screen. Follow any additional prompts to complete the pairing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.